Hi everyone, welcome back. I hope you're all well. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make one of these 3D beaded smiley faces. So this is what they look like, and this has been really highly requested ever since I did my flat beaded smiley face. So I hope you enjoy this one. Let's get started. So to make one of these smiley faces, I'm going to show you how to make one of these traditional emoji yellow smiley faces. You're going to need size 11 seed beads in yellow, and this is Preciosa opaque yellow luster. You'll also need size 11 beads in black. You'll need your beading thread and a beading needle. Let's go. So first thing you need to do is pick up 4 size 11s in yellow and slide those down. And then you're going to sew up through the first one. So now you have this. Now you're going to pick up another yellow. Coming out of this one, you're going to go straight into the next one in the circle. Pick up another yellow and go straight into the next one in the circle. Same again, pick up another yellow. Now you're coming out the top bead, you're going to go straight into the next one. And finally for this row, pick up another yellow, you're coming out of this one, straight into the next one, and also through the one above that as well. So this time we're going through the next 2 beads. And you should have this. This time you're going to pick up a black and a yellow, and you're coming out of this one, skip over that one and go through the following bead. Like that. This time pick up 2 yellows. We're coming out of here, you're going to skip over that one and go through the following bead. Again, pick up 2 yellows. We're coming out of this one, you're going to skip over that one, go through the following bead. And the last 2 of this row, you're going to pick up 2 more yellow beads. Coming out of this one, you're going to skip that one, go through the next one, and also up into the black bead. Like that. Now we have this. Picking up 1 black bead, you're coming out of this black one, you're going to go straight into that bead next to it. Now you're going to pick up a yellow. Coming out of here, going to skip that one underneath and go through the next one. Picking up another yellow. Coming out of here, we're going to go straight into that bead right next to it. Picking up another yellow, coming out of this bead here, going to skip the one underneath, go through the next yellow bead there. Picking up another yellow, now we're coming out of this bead here, we're going to go straight into that one right next to it. Picking up another yellow, coming out of this bead here, going to skip over the one underneath and go through the next one. There. And picking up another yellow, we're coming out of this bead here, going to go straight into that one next to it. Like that, and the last bead of the row is going to be a black bead. So picking up a black, we're coming out of this one here, we're going to skip that yellow one and go through the 2 black beads. Like that. Pull it tight, and you should have something that's a bit like this. This row we're going to start with a black bead. So coming out of this black one here, you're going to skip that one underneath and go through the next one. Now back to yellow. coming out of this one, skip the one underneath and go through that next one on the top row. Picking up another yellow, coming out here, skip the one underneath, go through the next one on the top row. And another yellow. We're coming out here, skip the one underneath, go through the next one. Another yellow. Coming out here, skip that one underneath, go through the next one. Another yellow. We're coming out here, skip that one underneath and go through the next. So the next bead, you're going to pick up a black bead. Coming out of this one, skip that one underneath and go through the next black bead. Now a yellow. Coming out of this black bead here, we're going to skip the one underneath and go through the next two black beads. You're going to pull it really tight and it will start to bunch up a little bit, like this. Okay, so for this next row, you're going to be adding single yellow bead in all these gaps in between the beads that are now on the top row. So pick up one yellow, you're coming out of this black one, skip the one underneath and go through the next one on the top row. Picking up another yellow, coming out of this one, skip over one, go through the next one. Again, picking up a single yellow bead, you're coming out of this one, skip over one, go through the next one. Again, picking up a yellow, skip over one, go through the next one. Just doing that same thing all the way around. Picking up a yellow, skip over one, go through the next one. Picking up a yellow, skip over one, go through the next one, which is this black bead. Picking up a yellow, skipping over the black underneath, go through that next yellow bead. Picking up a yellow, skip over that one, go through the next bead, which is a black one, and also through the yellow bead above it as well. And then pull it tight, and you should have this. Now you need to do exactly the same thing again. You're going to do another row of adding a single yellow bead in all those gaps. So you're skipping over a bead, going through the next one, skipping over a bead, going through the next one. So you need to do another row of yellow beads. And when you get to the end, don't forget to step up. So you go through the last bead as usual and then up through the next one. So you're ready to start adding more beads. So it should look like this. So now you need to do another row of exactly the same. So one more row of just adding a single yellow bead in between all the beads in the top row. So go ahead and do that one more time. Add one more row of single yellow beads, and then I'll show you what to do for the next row. That's what it should look like, and as always, don't forget to step up so you're in position to carry on adding beads. And this row we're going to add the eyes, so I'm just going to talk you through to get the colour pattern correct. So start by picking up a yellow and going through the next one on the top row. Another yellow through the next one on the top row. And another yellow through the one on the top row. Next one. And another yellow through the next one on the top row. Now we're towards the front of the piece and you're going to pick up a black bead and go through the next one on the top row. Then a yellow and then a black through the next one on the top row. And you're going to finish the row with yellow beads. So pick up another yellow and go through the next one and step up into the one above. So now we're going to pick up a yellow And we're coming out of this one here, we're going to skip over one but then go through the next 2 yellow beads on the top row. Picking up another yellow and go through the next yellow on the top row and the black. Picking up another yellow, go through the next yellow and through the black. And picking up another yellow and go through the next 2 yellow beads. Like that, so you're going through the next 2. Pull that through. And then step up into that bead above. And then you're going to pull it tight. Now we have this starting to close up. So now you're going to pick up a yellow. You're coming out of this one here. Skip over these 2, which are sort of joined together by that thread, and go through the next one. Pick up another yellow one. Now we're coming out of this bead here. I'm going to skip over these 2, the yellow and the black, and go through that next yellow bead. Same again, pick up a yellow, skip over the next 2, which is a yellow and a black, and go through the next yellow bead. And again, last one. Coming out of here, we're going to skip those 2 there that are joined together by that thread. Go through the next one and up through the one after that as well. Pull it tight and it should close together like this. Now you've got 4 beads in the centre now. You're going to go through those 4 beads to bring them together. You can go through them a couple of times to make it secure. And that's the finished smiley face. So now all you need to do is tie some knots with your working and your tail thread, and you're finished. So I hope you enjoyed this video and you were able to make one of these. It was highly requested, so I hope it was lived up to everyone's expectations. And let me know if you make one of these cute little smiley faces. So comment down below what else you'd like to see, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to see more of my videos. Follow me on Instagram at Beading by Hannah. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Bye!